Sorry. I was like, I know something.
Oh
Solid,
god.
solid.
I gotta
I'm gonna
organize.
repeat this song real fast. It's a super chill song I used to listen to like all the time, but I found it the other day and I got what the Dylan? Death. I mean blood sacrificing. I love sacrificing my life.
Oh,
You gotta, like,
fuck.
oh, that sucks.
I
I gotta use some more coins.
I didn't get anything from it. I'm trying again. Fuck. Woo! Okay. We got a maraca.
Hell, I just go on the other side of him so my punch does damage to everyone. Oh, solid. Ooh, I sure do love the stealth kit, which is useless later game.
Yeah, I can't wait to be completely, you know, undetectable when I'm dead.
When I get... Yeah, I was about to say, my dead body won't be seen by them.
Die. What? Why? What?
Did he not? Oh, the little guy got it. Okay.
I struck the small man
like,
with lightning and you just completely resisted. Oh man, that was crazy.
I hate how horrible this gameplay is.
I almost got winded for a second. It's crazy.
I almost got hit once by him.
Yeah.
I got what? I just realized what you said. I almost got winded. The gun. Cause like that's like a good timing generally.
Oh,
we both just
really wanted that.
Gang gang.
Ow. Hopefully this collapse doesn't kill me.
Dylan, you have a drug problem. You need to stop taking drugs, man.
What? It's my required medication, so I do take it.
Okay, I require medication too. Doesn't mean I take them. No, I do.
Okay.
If for some reason you put this in the video, everyone take your required medication. Don't be like this. This puts away who I truly am. Like, there's probably a reason why you have to, unless you're in the movie run, dude. Don't take that mom's. Don't take your mom's medicine.
In the movie run.
You remember that movie, dude?
No.
Okay, so this mom, right? Drugging her mom.
What?
But she's not her actual mom.
I'm gonna start.
I don't know, it's a messed up movie. It's funny. Oh, I forgot about that. I was thinking about the movie. Like I like playing loader, but like if your teammates also loader, the flying guys kind of suck balls. And not good balls, like bad.
Bad balls. What are some good balls?
Mine. Get red out from the chest.
No. Oh,
Dio's best friend. I don't. JoJo reference?
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Bad joke.
Bad joke.
F on my joke.
I hope you sit in the corner and think about what you've just said.
Okay, I'll sit next to the chest and think about what I thought about it.
Oh my god, look at his health. Where is it going? Where's all that red going?
Who has health these days, honestly?
Probably losers. Other than loaders.
Probably
Loaders are really cool.
Boy likers. Yeah! Loaders have armor and health. Because loader is cool. Load these balls in your mouth.
Loaders chat. I hope it's just like a thing like where a TV show has a name and then they're like, oh, they said the thing, they said the name of the show. Because it's like related in some way, you just keep bringing it up.
Dude, I love those. It's like, man, this really is like Batman versus Superman #4, Fist of Iron and Titanium. It's just like this really long drawn out.
That's a big man, that's a big boy.
I like a big. I'm sorry. You put that in the video. That's it though. And just hope somebody gets the reference.
From Shrek the Musical.
Ooh, I was about to say, what kind of loser would know? I knew it. That's why I made it.
It was me. I was in
I was the loser.
oh, boss gun!
Immediately too. No, it's fine. I got.
this shit. Wait, what key did you need to press, Lil D? Lily. Q? Oh, shit. Oh, it's crusty.
I got really lucky.
Oh, one of them disappeared.
Oh, I like this
That's
one.
Crazy.
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Ah!
What happened?
Okay. Fucking annoying.
God, you know how long that would take if we were literally anyone else?
Oh yeah, like engineer, how long that walk
Whoa!
is so annoying.
I trimmed it. Whoa. Grab.
Let's go! Alright, you ready?
I get so nervous.
Oh, you're not up
very
here.
Close. Okay, I'm up. Holy crap.
None of our
Nice.
robots are up here.
Uh-oh.
Hey, man, how are you?
What you doing?
How'd you get here? Oh, there they are.
He's very quick to the draw! My teddy bear saved me.
I'm
man.
coming, give me a minute. I'm gonna die fast though. I suck against this guy's loader. You are weak. Yes, I am. Sorry, sir. Dude, I don't like this laggy fight because he's like teleporting like more than normal.
More than... Dude, my brains almost became like pavement low.
Alright, we killed him once. What, 3 more times?
Yeah.
I'm not excited for the time when he gets Ara.
Okay, at least I say this is very doable because usually I feel like I've done it harder than this. It's probably fine. Hey, Isaac, do you think you can send me balls? These are the balls that we're gonna be loading into now.
That scared me so much. Instantly here. It was not fun time. Where'd he go? Oh, I forgot. I was like,
oh my god.
What's that pillar in the middle? Does that kill me or no?
I think it hurt. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I hate this phase. I hate this phase.
No!
I hate this phase. This is where I always die.
beg you!
This is where I always die, Dylan. This is where I always...
We're fine.
It's fine. I come back.
Oh my god, I forget you were Geo. I'm gonna like sit up on this pillar at the very top of the map. Uh-oh.
72. What does he have increased armor right now? It's fine, we got lasers. Lightning.
Yes!
Okay, Dylan, one. Wait, that's it?
Baby. No,
They
no,
do
no,
it
no,
more.
He's gonna suck.
My items too? No!
Well, that's not fair!
That's not fair! I'm dead! Still attacking him for you.
Oh man, I one-shot him. Okay.
Dylan.
We didn't even get a single focus crystal.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen any.
That's fine. Oh my god.
What's that portal do? Oh, just spawns the void people?
Nerd.
Dylan, stop! Her momentum halted forever.
And so she left. Heart still racing. Yay!
Wait, Loader's a girl?